Welcome to DJ's World, my friends. I bet a lot of you have been hearing about MT.GOX. In Chinese, it's referred to as 人头沟. So for those who are like, what on earth is this? Let me briefly walk you through the MT.GOX history. So MT.GOX, it used to be the king of Bitcoin exchange. It was once the largest and most preeminent Bitcoin exchange in the world, handling over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions at its peak. The CEO of MT.GOX is called Mark Hartfels. We have a cuter name for him in Chinese, 大胖. So this guy certainly didn't have a good anti-hacker system. So in early 2014, after Bitcoin made its peak at 1,163, MT.GOX got hacked. The total loss was estimated 850k Bitcoin, which MT.GOX was able to recover around 100k of it. But still, it's a huge amount. This is literally one of the largest black swan events in the early history of cryptocurrency. So, what is happening right now? News comes that MT.GOX is set to begin distributing $9 billion worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash repayments from July, according to a rehabilitation trustee. And we can see the market crashing as to react to this news. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin prices and market sentiment? First, let's talk about numbers. The repayment will involve a significant amount of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash entering the market. MT.GOX was able to recover 142k BTC and 143k BCH and US dollar 510 million from the hack. This is the starting point of the repayment. We have already spotted movements of over 140k BTC from the exchange's cold wallet for the first time in 5 years. And the question is, how will the MT.GOX creditors react? The most likely scenario is that a significant number of MT.GOX creditors will sell their BTC and BCH as soon as they receive them. The Bitcoin price when MT.GOX filed for bankruptcy was 573. It is a massive 10.6% gain for those coins compared to the market price now. This could lead to substantial selling pressure for these creditors looking to realize a profit. Even if they only sell a portion of their holdings, this could still create a large volume of BTC supply. The repayment amount of Bitcoin represents 34% of its 24-hour trade volume and 31% for that of BCH. With such vast volume of active supply injected into the market, it can easily overwhelm any bullish momentum. It's a simple supply and demand problem. Given the weakness of Bitcoin price in the past week, undoubtedly, this would disappoint the market sentiment further, adding pressure to Bitcoin to hold on to its 60k support. At the minute this news came out, the market already reacted. We see a BTC drop of 1k from 62k to 61k. This suggests that speculators are already bracing the potential sell-offs. So, is crypto doomed? Don't be too bearish. In reality, not all of the creditors will liquidate their crypto repayments, and at the very least, not all of them will liquidate at the same time. Creditors are broken up into distinct categories based on their qualifications, and they will not get the repayment at the same time. Therefore, the repayment will not likely cause a hard and sudden drop that spooks other investors. Instead, the market gets time to digest the supply in a longer period of time. For else, they may favor from the diversification of the creditors. Creditors gain in BTC lead to extraordinary exposure in one single coin. We anticipate some of them might diversify their crypto portfolio by investing in other coins. This shifts BTC supply to altcoin demand, and this can be a potential opportunity given cryptos are hitting their period lows. After all, the fundamentals of crypto didn't change. We still have September rate cut and elections coming. Only some locked up supply re-entering the market. This creates short-term volatility to the market, but will not change the faith of long-term investors. Is the bull gone? We think not yet. For more of the crypto analysis, follow us. Stay tuned. Daily Jam.